How to remove friends in Honor of Kings. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can remove or block friends. First of all, open the application. Now here on the right, you can see this friend list. Simply tap on this friend list, and on the bottom, simply tap on this friends icon. So this is the game list or the friend list that are available. So here, as you can see, there are different friends that are available. Now simply select the friend that you want to delete and tap on this delete button. So here I'm tapping on one. So make sure you want to remove this friend, and later you cannot easily add them. You must search the UID and again send the friend request. So tap on confirm, and as you can see, it has been removed. Now the player is completely gone. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.